Na familia yote, the extended family, poleni sana. Tuseja wetu wake Irungu alikuwa na hapa tuko leo ni area ya St. Peter. Niwakaribishe nyote kwa.
For us who happen to be in politics, it's always good to choose our words. It's always good to know that elections comes and go. In the next few months, 5 months and a few days, elections will be behind us. But this country will still prosper. Our names will be required. What we stand for will be looked at. We shall be gauged by Kenyans, by our voters, not by how much we spoke, not by drama and comedy, not by how you shouted very high, but what you can be able to provide for this country to prosper in future. And therefore for us we have chosen the higher ground, that whatever we shall do, we shall be very, very obedient to the call